In this video, let us see a tool called Imagine Objective, which provides a framework for automating the process of extracting features from imagery. Imagine Objective provides object-based multi-scale image classification and feature extraction capabilities to reliably build and maintain accurate geospatial content. With Imagine Objective, imagery and geospatial data of all kinds can be analyzed to produce GIS-ready mapping. This is the basic structure of a feature model, showing the linear manner in which the data is analyzed. Operators are designed as plugins, and any number of such plugins can be easily added as required for specific feature extraction scenarios. Now let us see a demo on the tool. This is how the interface of the tool looks like. A project has already been created here, and this tree view depicts the workflow. Next, we'll need to input a raster image and display it in the Objective Workstation viewer. This is how the full image looks like. Our intention here would be to extract the roads in the image as a vector shape file. Now let's start defining the nodes in the feature model. For the raster pixel processor node, from the available plugin layers, let us select SFP. Under the same node, we'll also have to define some training samples in the form of AOIs. So let's digitize an AOI on the road and add it to be considered as a road in the output. Let's digitize another road AOI and add the same. Now let's digitize a non-road AOI and add it as a background. Accept the training samples. Let's go to the next node, Raster Object Creators, and select Threshold and Clump from the available plugin layers and change the probability threshold to 0.5. Under Raster Object Operators node, select Size Filter and add it within the feature model. Let's define some parameters for Size Filter. Let us select another plugin layer called Centerline Convert within the Raster Object Operators node. Let's define the parameters for this too. Under the next node, Raster to Vector Conversion, select Line Trace. Let us go to the next node, Vector Object Operators, and select Line Link Plugin Layer. Define the parameters for this plugin layer. Similarly, let's select multiple plugin layers, Smooth, Line Snap, and Line Remove, and define the respective parameters. Once the desired settings are made in the form of nodes and the respective plugin layers, we'll have to specify from where the model will start and where it would stop. Let's run and see how the output looks like. After switching off the display of the intermediate output files, this is how the output looks. It just took us some few minutes to extract road features from this image.